Dear students, in this session we are going to solve previous year JEE problems. If y of x y equal to y of x is a solution of the differential equation x divided by dx plus 2y equal to x squared satisfying y of 1 equal to 1, then y of half is equal to a 7 by 64, b 14 by 16, c 1 by 4, d 13 by 16. x dy by dx plus 2y equal to x squared, y of 1 equal to 1, y of half we have to find. So dy by dx divided by x throughout, dy by dx 2 into y by x equal to x. If you observe, we bring to denominator, you can bring in form of linear in y. Obviously, it is not homogeneous. Therefore, dy by dx plus py equal to q. This is of this form. P takes value 2 by x, q takes value x. First of all, you have to find integral p dx. Integral 2 by x dx, 2 into log x. Next, you find if, e power integral p dx. This can be written as log x squared. E power log x squared equal to x squared. Y into e power del p dx del q dx plus c, y into x squared del q x into x squared dx plus c. So y x squared equal to x power 4 by 4 plus c. Y of 1 equal to 1, which means when x equal to 1, y equal to 1 is substitute here. 1 plus 1 by 4 equal to C. C equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4. So yx squared equal to x power 4 by 4 plus C. In place of C you take 3 by 4. Y equal to x squared by 4, 3 by 4 divided by x squared. When x equal to 1 by 2, y of 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, 3 by 4 into 1 by 4. Equal to 1 by 16 plus 3. 1 plus 40 by 16. That is 49 by 16. Option B is correct. Let's f from 0, 1 to R be such that f of x y equal to f of x into f of y for all x comma y belongs to 0, 1 and f of 0 not equal to 0 if y equal to y of x satisfies the differential equation dy by dx equal to f of x with y of 0 equal to 1, then y of 1 by 4 plus y of 3 by 4 is equal to a equal to 4, b equal to 5, c equal to 3, d equal to 2. So f of x comma y equal to f of x into f of y. That is a given statement. Let it be 1. Put x equal 0, y equal 0 in 1. F of 0 equal to f of 0 into f of 0, that is f of 0 whole squared, which implies f of 0 by f0 whole squared equal to 1. Which implies f of 0 equal to 1. Put y equal 0 in 1. F of 0 equal to f of x into f of 0, which implies f of x equal to 1. dy by dx equal to f of x, that is given statement, which is equal to 1. So dy equal to dx, integral dy equal to integral dx, y equal to x plus c. Y of 0 equal to 1, that is when x equal 0, y equal to 1, c equal to 1. So y equal to x plus 1. Y of 1 by 4 plus y of 3 by 4 equal to y of 1 by 4 means in place of x you have to substitute 1 by 4. That is 3. So option C is correct. If dy by dx plus 3 by cos squared x into y equal to 1 by cos squared x x belongs to minus pi by 3 comma pi by 3. And y of pi by 4 equal to 4 by 3. Then y of minus pi by 4 equals option A 1 by 3 plus e power 6 minus 4 by 3. C 1 by 3 plus e power 6 D 1 by 3. So this is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. P equal to 1 by cos squared x, that is 3 by cos squared x, that is 3 del p dx. Three tan x, that is if integrating factor e power del p dx e power 3 tan x. Y into e power integral p dx equal to q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Y into e power 3 tan x del q, that is secant squared x e power 3 tan x dx plus c. In this portion, you take t equal to tan x, dt equal to secant squared x dx. So, y into e power 3 tan x equal to e power 3t into dt plus c. E power y into e power 3, we have to substitute this side only e power t, because we are going to integrate this portion. In this integral, you take t tan x dt secant squared dx. We should not substitute t equal to tan x this side. So e power ax dx means integral e power ax dx means e power ax by a. So e power 3t by 3. So y e power 3 tan x equal to 1 by 3 e power 3 tan x plus C. Y of that is given. When x takes the value pi by 4, y takes value 4 by 3. For y you take 4 by 3 e power 3 tan pi by 4 equal to 1 by 3 e power 3 tan pi 4 plus c. Y t power 3 tan x plus 1 by equal to 1 by 3 e power 3 tan x plus c. Tan 45 1. So 4 by 3 e cube equal to 1 by 3 also e cube plus c. 4 by 3 e cube minus 1 by 3 e cube equal to c. 3 e cubed by 3 equal to c, which implies c equal to e cubed. Therefore, y into e power 3 tan x equal to 1 by 3 e power 3 tan x plus c. In place of c, you can take e cubed. So, we have to find y of minus by 4. Put x equal to minus by 4. 3 into e power tan of minus by 4 plus e cube e power tan minus by 4 means minus 1 by e power 1 y into e power minus 3 1 by 3 e power minus 3 plus a cubed. Dividing by e cubed throughout y plus y equal to 1 by 3 plus e cubed by e power minus 3. Y equal to 1 by 3 plus e power 6. Option A is correct. Next one. Let's let f be differential function such that f dash of x equal to seven minus 3/4 into f of x by x, x greater than 0, and f of 1 not equal to 4. Then limit x tends to 0 plus x into f of 1 by x. Option A. Does not exist. Option B. Exists and equal to 0. Exists and equal to 4/7. Exists and equal to 4. F dash of x equal to seven minus 3/4 f of x by x, x is greater than 0. So f dash of x means dy by dx 7 minus 3/4 y by x, dy by dx plus 3/4 y by x equal to 7. So this is of the form linear in y, dy by dx plus py equal to q, p equal to 3/4 into 1 by x, q equal to 7, integral p dx, integral 3/4 into 1 by x dx, 3/4 log x equal to log x power 3/4, if e power integral p dx, e power log x power 3/4, that is x power 3/4. solution is y into e power del p dx del q e power del p dx dx plus c y into x power 3 by 4 q, that is 7 into e power 7 into x power 3 by 4 plus c. Y into x power 3 by 4 equal 7 to x power 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 4 plus 1 plus c. X power 7 by 4 by 7 by 4 plus c. Equal to 4x power 7 by 4, the 4 will come into numerator, 4x power 7 by 4 plus c. Y equal to 4x power 7 by 4 x power 3 by 4 c x power 3 by 4 7 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus c x power minus, so y equal to 4x plus c into x power minus 3 by 4. That means f of x equal to 4x plus c x power minus 3 by 4. F of 1 by x, that is 4 by x plus c into 1 by x whole power minus 3 by 4. That is 4 by x plus c into x power 1 by x power minus 4 means x power 3 by 4. Limits x tends to 0 plus x into f of 1 by x equal to limit x tends to 0 plus x into 4 by x plus c into x power 3 by 4. Limit x tends to 0 plus, if you multiply inside 4 plus c x power 7 by 4. X into x power 3 means x power 74, which is equal to, this time will become 0, 4 only answer. So option D is correct. So far we have seen 4 sums, all have been asked in linear in Y form. So this method is important. All 4 questions have been asked in JE 2019. Next question. The curve amongst the family of curves represented by the differential equation x square minus y square into dx equal to plus 2xy dy equal to 0. Which passes through 1, 1 is option A, an ellipse with major axis along the y-axis. A hyperbola with transverse axis along x-axis. A circle with center on x-axis a circle with center on y-axis. X square minus y square dx plus 2x dy equal to 0. 2xy dy equal to minus of x square y square dx. dy by dx equal to minus of by 2xy. Y squared minus x square by 2xy. So observe the degree of terms numerator denominator. Y square degree 2, x square degree 2, 2xi 1 plus 1 degree 2. So it is homogeneous. Therefore put y equal to vx. dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. v plus x dv by dx equal to v squared x square minus x square by 2x into vx. So x dv by dx equal to v square minus 1 by 2v minus 1. So minus v. V square minus 1 2v square by 2v minus 1 minus v square by 2v. Minus of v squared plus 1 by 2v. Left hand side we have x dv by dx. So 2v dv divided by v square plus 1 equal to minus dx by x. We have applied variable separable. Then integrating on both sides, 2v dv divided by v square plus 1 equal to minus integral dx by x, which implies log v square plus 1 that is minus log x plus log c. We can write c or log c straight away. Log v square plus 1 plus log c by x. Quotient rule we can apply. Log m minus log n. Log m by n we have applied here. Removing log on both sides, v squared plus 1 equal to c by x. We have taken y equal to vx, that means y by x equal to v. C by x. Y squared by x squared plus 1 equal to c by x. Y squared plus x squared by x squared equal to c by x. X squared plus y squared equal to, you multiply here means cx. It passes through 1 comma 1, which means 1 plus 1 equal to c. C equal to 2. So x square plus y square equal to 2x. X square plus y square minus 2x equal 0. X square minus 2x plus y squared equal 0. This can be rearranged as x minus whole square plus minus 1 for x squared x. Divide the coefficient of x by 2. So x minus whole square and subtract plus y squared equal 0. So x minus 1 whole square plus y squared equal to 1. So which is of the form x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square. H comma k 1 comma 0 or radius 1. So it represents a circle with center on one comma 0 means center on x axis. So in this case option C is correct. Next one, if y of x is the solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus two x plus 1 2x plus 1 by x into y equal to e power minus 2x x greater than 0 where y of 1 equal to e power minus 2 by 2, then option A, y of log 2 to the base e equal to log 4 to the base e option B, y of x is decreasing in 0, 1 y of x is decreasing in 1 by 2, 1 y of log 2 to the base e equal to log 2 to the base e by 4. So dy by dx plus 2x plus 1 by x into y equal to e power minus 2x. So dy by dx plus py equal to q, which is linear in y. P takes value 2x plus 1 by x. Q takes value e power minus 2x. Integral p dx. Integral 2x plus 1 by x into dx. That is 2 plus 1 by x dx. Yeah, 2x plus log x. IF e power integral p dx e power two x plus log x e power 2x into e power log x, that is x e power 2x. Solution is y into e power integral p dx equal to q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Y into x e power 2x integral q, that is e power minus 2x into x e power 2x plus c. X plus c. So xy e power 2x equal to x e power 2x and e power minus e power 0. We have x only. If we integrate x, x square by 2. So this is the solution. Or 2xy e power 2x equal to x square plus 2c. So y of 1 equal to e power minus 2 by 2. That means it passes through 1 comma e power minus 2 by 2. That is 2 into 1 e power minus 2 by 2 e power 2 into 1 1 plus 2c. This will be cancelled. So 1 equal to 1 plus 2c equal to 0. Therefore 2xy e power 2x equal to x squared. Two xy y equal to x squared by 2xy e power 2x. Y equal to x by x by 2 e power minus 2x. So dy by dx, to take 1 by x common, u dash 1 into e power minus 2x plus x into minus 2 e power minus 2x, e power minus x by 2, 1 minus 2x. One minus 2x equal to 0 means 1 equal to 2x, x equal to 1. This is always positive. If x equal to 1 means the whole time will be 0. When x is less than 1, or when x is greater than 1, x equal to 1, okay. When x is less than 1, sorry, x equal to 1 by 2. When x is less than half, what will happen? Suppose I take 1 by 4. 1 minus 2 by 4. 1 by 2. That is greater than 0, increasing. I take x is greater than half. Take x equal to 3 by 4. 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3 by 2, which is less than 0. So when is x is greater than 1 by 2, which is decreasing. So dy by dx, suppose you take x equal to 4, also decreasing. So dy by dx is less than 0 for x greater than 1 by 2. But the given here, the given problem, up to 1 only they have given options, that is y of x is decreasing in half comma 1. So y equal to x by t e power minus 2x, y of log 2, that is log 2 to the base e by 2 e power minus 2 log 2 to the base e. log 2 to the base e by 2 e power log 2 power minus 2 by to the base e. Log 2 to the base e by 2 into this will be 2 power minus, that is equal to the whole time equal to 2 power minus 2, that is 1 by 2 squared 1 by 4. So log 2 to the base e by 8. So there is no option satisfying among the options. The given log 4, here log 2 to the base e by 8. So y of log 2, option A and D are wrong. So only possibility is option so decreasing in 1 by 2 comma 1. Option C is correct. We have discussed around 6 or 7 sums in this session. All have been asked in JEE 2019. Most of sums are based on linear in Y. Only one sum related to homogeneous. We will continue solving positive problems in the coming sessions. Thank you.